right, sis? So these palettes are literally under $5. They are honestly a product I would recommend for beginners. They come with 6 eyeshadows in the palette. You guys are not overwhelmed with what colors to choose. So I'm just going to show you guys 2 simple looks using these palettes. So I'm starting off with the mauve palette. I dipped into that pretty much mauve shade and just brushed that right above my natural crease. I do want to just admit with these colors, they are just a bit, well, not a bit, they aren't as pigmented as, you know, more affordable palettes, but you can still achieve a flawless, beautiful look using these eyeshadows. So as you can see here, I am going in with a gray color, and I'm putting that to pretty much smoke out the look. That's going to be the color that I put directly in my crease. I don't bring it to the inner corner. I kind of just apply it to the outer V. And here I'm just obviously blending everything together. We want everything to blend in seamlessly. For the lid color, I am going in with this pretty much silver shade here. And I do kind of just focus that in the middle of the eyes. I did want to just go in with one more shade, kind of use up all of the shades or most of the shades in the palette. So I did add that in the middle portion here, and I kind of had to really pack that color on. And then for the inner portion here, I went in with that just lighter silver shade, and that pretty much gave me a pop. As you guys can see, that really brightened the look. So I really love how this came out. And again, these palettes are under $5, guys, very affordable. So that's pretty much it for the top portion of my eyes, guys. Very simple. If you're a beginner, this is definitely a look that you can go out with, pair it with an outfit, just like that. So I applied my lashes, guys. We're gonna move on to the bottom portion of the eyes, and I dip back into that smoky shade and just kind of brush that along my bottom lash line, and that's gonna pretty much bring the look together and kind of connect everything. And I used pretty much a flat eyeshadow brush to just smoke that along the bottom lash line. For mascara, I'm going in with my Maybelline Sky High mascara, applying it to my top and bottom lashes, and that pretty much completes the look. I do go in with one more shade after this, and that's going to pretty much give a pop to my inner corners, so you guys are going to see that in a bit. And I took pretty much a very small brush to apply, and that just brightens up my inner corner and just finishes up the look for you guys. So that's pretty much it for this first palette, guys. Very simple and easy eyeshadow look. Guys, I'm coming for you guys. You beginners, I need to see you guys recreate this look, okay? So we're gonna move on to the next palette, guys. This is our green palette. I actually really like this look over the first one I did. So these are the shades. I'm gonna dip into that pretty much green army shade, and we're gonna apply that as the transition color. With this shade, I had to kind of pack it on first, just to get that pigment. It doesn't, like I said, because of the price, it doesn't come out as pigmented, but we can still work with it and achieve flawless looks, guys. So I'm pretty much just packing that on the top portion right above my natural crease, and then I'm gonna go in with this deeper green, and that's what we're putting directly in our crease. So with this as well, I had to pack that on first. So as you guys can see, I'm pretty much dabbing it where I want it, which is the outer V. I love my outer V smoky eye looks, if you guys have not been able to tell, but I really like just applying just a dark smoky shade on the outer V of my eyes. I feel like this type of eye look really suits my eyes, in my opinion. So I'm pretty much just packing that shade on, and of course we're gonna blend those two colors together afterwards. So I'm just blending. Blending is your best friend when doing eyeshadows, guys. This is how you get the perfect eyeshadow look. We don't want any chalky, blotchy eyeshadow looks, okay? By now, you guys should be experts at eyeshadow. All right, so for the middle portion of my eyes, we're kind of doing the same type of steps like I did in the first. I'm applying this green shade to pretty much the middle portion of my eyes, and that is going to give a pop of color to this look. I actually really like this. This shade was actually very easy to work with. I didn't have to spray my brush or anything. It literally glided on perfectly, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm just applying that to the middle portion of my eyes. Again, we're gonna blend it out, making sure that everything blends into each other. And now for the inner corner, I'm taking that gold, it's like a goldy green type of shade, and we're just gonna blend that into everything. So I'm pretty much using a flat brush to apply it. It does have a bit of fallout, as you guys can see, but not too much where it's like, okay, like I'm not gonna use this palette again. And it's only that shade, to be honest. It was only that shade that was kind of falling out, and I feel I was digging into it a lot. So other than that, the eyeshadows are pretty good. And yeah, we're gonna move on to the bottom portion. I'm taking that green shade and we're gonna just smoke that along the bottom lash line. With this one though, I didn't bring it all the way through. I kind of went halfway with it. Now we're gonna go in with mascara, of course, just to bring the whole look together. And I did use the same mascara, by the way. And then again, with this eyeshadow palette, I want to brighten my inner corner. Oh no, I didn't. I brightened underneath my eyes, my eyebrows. So that is another thing you guys can do just to bring the whole look together. And of course, with this, we cannot leave it like that, guys. We need to blend it out so that it pretty much blends into everything. And that is it for this look, guys. I didn't do an inner corner, but I loved how this look came out, guys. So that's pretty much it for this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave your comments down below and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.